What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today we're going to be at Walmart checking out their Christmas decor and their Christmas trees. So if you're interested in seeing what may be available to you at your local Walmart for Christmas 2022, make sure you keep on watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish.
Alright, so they've got some Christmas sweaters and Christmas PJs. That's not what we're looking at, but I did go ahead and include it just in case you guys were interested. These are cute for like your ugly Christmas sweater parties. They do come with a little headband. Oh, it's so cute. I might get this if I do go to an ugly Christmas sweater party, so don't nobody try and steal my idea. Alright, so per usual, of course, they've got wrapping paper. These are the different type of wrapper papers that they got. These are from movies, and they retail for $4.29. It's about 70 square feet for a roll. I mean, $4.28. Where did I get the 9 from? But yeah, they got a bunch of that. And then they also do have this here, which is a 3-pack. Yeah, these are 3-packs, and these are $8.48. This one is cute. Okay. And then they got some over here too. I think this is a continuance of the ones from over there. Yep, these are TV and movie themed, and they retail at $4.28. They also do have Christmas books if you guys have kids that need these type of things. It looks like most of them retail for, well, they're $8.98, $8.94, $6.28. They're all different prices. So yeah, they've got all different types of books available. Oh, this one is cute. It comes with paint. And more wrapping paper over here. These are $2.98. All right, and then we've got some Christmas stuffed animals. If that's something that you're interested in, they range in prices from $14.98, $17.98, $5.98. These little guys are $3.48, $12.98, $9.98, and these guys are $9.98 as well. And it looks like they got some tree toppers up here too, and a couple other little decorations up here. Can't reach those to see how much they cost, but maybe at your Walmart they may be a little closer. Alright, so on to the ornaments. So they got these wide assortment of ornaments for $4.78. And this comes with 26 Shatterproof ornaments. And you got like a mix of colors, or you have solid color ones. You got a lot of pretty colors. Alright, and here we just got a bunch of Christmas candles. I'm not sure if this particular Walmart, they haven't restocked, or I don't know, they restocked and everybody like flooded it, but this Walmart is kind of empty. I think they are just putting things out. Oh, this is cute. A wax warmer in the shape of a truck. The gnome wax warmer. This little Christmas tree. Sitting on top of a camper, I believe that is. And they also have these warmers. And these also come with waxes. I wonder how that warm apple pie smells. And they got these warmers as well. Followed by some Christmas mugs and Christmas cups. And randomly some clipboard and planners and pads with pens. Why it's stationary here, I don't know, but hey, whatever. And here are some stockings for kids. All Disney princesses, $7.98. Minnie, the Grinch. All these are $7.98. Oh, and gingerbread houses. How much are these? I think they are $10.98 if I'm not mistaken. But you can make 4 houses, 4 different types of houses. That's so cute. And here's the little piping bag kit that you use to decorate them. Like literally all this stuff is empty. I might have to come back and do another. And some sprinkles, and then some Christmas tissue paper for $1.98 for 10 sheets. Alright, then we got some Christmas lights. You got 100 mini LED lights for $9.97. They have the warm white lights and they also have the cool white lights. And then they've got some more ornaments. This is 40 Shatterproof Ornaments for $10.98. They don't come in a variety of colors. They just got like this little mix, the regular Christmas mix, and then all red. Your Walmart may have some additional colors, but if not, just know you can get these if this is your Christmas theme for $10.98. All right, then they got these 2-pack of gift wrap for $6.48. Like that. You can see it's kind of like a silver color. Yeah, I might have to come back and get this. Okay. If I can put it down. Oh, this is cute too. Yeah, I really like this. Okay, Walmart, stepping it up. And then right next to it, they've got this big 70-pack of ornaments, and you got like little drummer boys. They got some that have like dogs and teddy bears for $26.98. These are really cute. Okay, we're gonna go around, pass them some more wrapping paper. These are single packs of wrapping paper for $2.98. And I want to see one of these. I can't really see them because they're kind of tucked all the way in there, but I think these are adorable. Alright, so right here they got these Christmas trees, but they're in a box. They got some 6'5" pre-lit trees for $89. They also got a 4-foot pre-lit tree for $44 and a 7.5 pre-lit tree for $259. But I'm gonna go over to the other side and see if they have some on the stand on display.
They supposed to put them right here in the middle, but
So
they
they
been having
haven't,
so much stuff come in.
but they will come and like set some up so you can see how they look outside the box.
Oh no, they don't do that. Cause they ain't do it last year.
Okay.
That's
All right, and they got these mini Santa Claus. This one looks like a chef. This one looks like, I don't know what he's doing. He's skiing. He's putting up a tree. I don't know what this guy's doing. But these run you $19.98. If this is something you're interested in, or here's that guy. All right, so we have officially made it to the tree aisle. So of course they have a surplus of trees. I did just find out from an employee that at this particular Walmart, I'm not sure about your local Walmart, but at this particular Walmart, they no longer set up a tree on display so you can see how it looks at the box. That's kind of what I came for because I want to see how it looked. This is cute. Because you know, they'll put a tree in a box and the picture will look very nice and fluffy. But once you get home and take it out the box, it looks like a Charlie Brown tree. No matter how you try and fluff it, it's just not going to fluff. It's going to need a lot of love, attention, and decorations to fill in those holes. But he said he's not sure, but they didn't do it last year, so he doesn't think they're going to do it this year either. So I'll check back probably in December, the first week of December, and see if they put any trees out on display. And the last thing at my local Walmart is going to be lights. So I got a bunch of lights and a whole little wall of lights. Different colors, different sizes, and of course very different prices. Also, like I stated earlier, a lot of the shelves are still bare and there are a lot of boxes out there, so possibly they haven't got everything set up yet. I'm not certain, but they do have a nice amount of things out. but this should give you a general idea of what they may have at your local Walmart and how much you'll spend. Alright, so before you go, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel if you didn't like this video. Also, make sure you click the thumbs up button. Also, click the notification bell so you're notified anytime I upload a new video. I am doing a Christmas decor and Christmas tree and Christmas decoration video for Target, as well as I'm also doing Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if I'm going to do any additional stores, just these three stores right now. So make sure you do subscribe and click the notification bell so you are notified when I do upload those videos. That way you can see those and see if those stores have anything that you're interested in as well. Alright, so once again, thank you guys for watching my video, and happy holidays from your girl.